In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your profile on Tracker Network. By the end, your profile will be securely tied to your account, making it easier to access your stats, manage your identity across platforms, and avoid confusion with similar usernames. First, sign in to your Tracker Network account. Open the site and log in with your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're on your personal account before moving on, especially if you share a computer or you're switching between accounts. Having your platform login details handy will also make the next part smoother. Next, head to your account settings and open the page labeled Linked Accounts, sometimes shown as Manage Linked Accounts. This is the central place where you control which gaming platforms are connected to your Tracker Network profile. If you don't see it right away, look for your profile icon or settings menu and you should find linked accounts there. Now link the gaming account you use. Choose the platform that matches where you actually play, such as Riot, Epic Games, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, or EA. Select the correct provider and follow the prompts. In most cases, you'll be redirected to the platform's official login page to authorize the connection. Carefully sign in to the correct gaming account, and if you're asked to confirm permissions, approve them so Tracker Network can verify ownership and pull your stats. If a pop-up appears, allow it to complete the authorization and avoid closing the window until it finishes. If you have security measures like two-factor authentication, complete those as requested. Double-check the username or gamertag shown during authorization to ensure it matches the profile you intend to claim. After you've finished the authorization, return to the Linked Accounts or Manage Linked Accounts page. You should see the platform you just connected listed there. Once it appears in your linked accounts list, your profile is considered claimed. It may take a moment for the connection to display or for your stats to sync, so a quick refresh can help. From this point on, your identity on Tracker Network is verified against that gaming account, which helps keep your profile consistent and prevents mix-ups with players who might have similar names. That's it. Sign in, go to linked accounts, link the gaming account you use, and when it shows up in your list, your profile is officially claimed. If something looks off, confirm you authorize the correct platform account and give it a minute to update. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined experience on Tracker Network.